Welcome to my YouTube channel. I just want to take a quick minute and share why this channel exists. My name is Vinh Nguyen and I'm the co-founder of WorkSmart AI, an AI growth partner agency where we help local service business owners grow by installing custom AI solutions. This channel is built for the hardworking business owners out there who feel overwhelmed and confused about AI and feeling like you're being left behind. I have some great news for you. You're not being left behind. And it's possible to master AI as a non-techie. And I know this because that was me. And I'm gonna do my best on this channel to simplify the basics of AI for you so that you can use AI to grow your business, save yourself time, and save yourself money. Why am I doing this? There's two major reasons to this. The first one is because I'm one of you. I endure so much pain that I don't want others out there to suffer the way that I did. I previously owned a couple of real estate businesses. I had a real estate sales team and I also had a real estate investment business. And I worked that for almost 10 years. And I was huge against tech or anything AI. I was working 12 to 16 hours a day, 6 to 7 days a week. And the only leverage that I had was my time, if you will. And instead of embracing tech as a leverage, I used my hours and my team's hours. It was just manpower and try to push really hard and in the end, completely burn myself out. Fortunately, I had financial freedom with my real estate investment, but I also paid a really big price from that burned out. And realizing that, I want to help other local business owners out there to embrace tech as a leverage instead of trading their manpower to the point where you're gonna burn yourself out. And the second reason is to promote my AI growth partner agency, WorkSmart AI, where we come alongside and partner with local service business owners to understand their business, understand their goals, and install custom AI solutions as leverage for them to hit their goals. And lastly, I have a free school community for you to grab all the free resources on this YouTube channel there. Also, once a week in my free school community, I do a free basic Q&A questions on AI and how to use it on your business. So you're more than welcome to hop on and ask any questions about AI to use in your business.